Okay, so what you will see, this is just a really quick video that I found on YouTube, but it's a basic way for you to create a rainbow. What you will notice is to the left-hand side, so about here, the tutorial shows you that you tear your bits of paper, whether that's from a magazine or whether that's from PowerPoint slide that I've told you to create and print if you don't have access to magazines or newspapers. So the technique is that you tear the paper up into small pieces and then you layer it back onto your A4 sheet to create your rainbow. So you'll work your way through the different samples of colour. Once you've printed your red sheet from PowerPoint or you've torn lots of red out of a magazine, you can then start to stick it down onto your paper and you're going to work your way through the colours of the rainbow. Okay, very, very simple technique, but you will notice there the skill is lots of small pieces of paper that you then layer back down onto the page. As you can see in this video example, okay, you're observing the shape of the rainbow. You're going to observe the different colours that happen in the rainbow, and the most successful of collages of actually tearing paper into smaller pieces allows for more detail to be shown. If you just rip large pieces of paper, you don't get as much texture in your outcome. So that's my top tip for this task. Okay, in this video you can see that she's now starting to apply the orange layer. Don't be afraid to overlap your colours, so it's fine to merge a bit of your orange into a bit of the red and so forth. I would like you to make sure that you explore all the colours of the rainbow. If I skip forward, you'll see an example here. And now I've paused that for you to see. So this looks very rough, very texturized. It doesn't have to be perfect. You'll all be using different types of paper, so the overall outcome will look slightly different for all of you. But you will see there's a nice array of colours there. There's no white gaps in between the rainbow, and that's the effect that we are looking for.